MRSA analyzed the images, and in one area of the ocean measuring some 400 square kilometers, were able to identify 122 potential objects. Some objects were a meter in length, others were as much as 23 meters in length. Some of the objects appeared to be bright, possibly indicating solid material. The objects were located approximately 2,557 kilometers from Perth. And these are the visual images. As you can see, it was an incredible feat because it was covered all by cloud. There were pockets in the clouds that we identified, and the white dots were the debris. It is not very far from the objects cited by the Chinese government, which is over here, and the Australian government, which is over there. So this is still the most credible lead that we have.
Then we conclude the session for today.
马航 MH370，我们对马航处理家属合理诉求的态度感到极其失望，同时也对马航多次欺骗全世界人民的行为感到愤慨。我们希望在此向全世界揭露马航的谎言，同时期望马航能够尽快落实他的承诺。